If you want to grow fresh greens through the fall and into the cold season, there's one mistake you don't want to make. It's planting too late. So most people wait until fall feels like fall before they plant, but then they may have already missed their window that they need to get their plants established. So fall can be one of the most rewarding times to garden, and with the right varieties, some greens can continue producing even when the temperatures drop close to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. We've been growing fall greens here on our farm for more than 40 years, and one of the most important things that we've learned is that the secret to successful cold season harvest is the timing. So your plants need to germinate, develop roots, and grow strong before the really cold weather arrives. And as fall progresses, the days get shorter, sunlight decreases, and the plants don't grow as quickly as they do in the summer. So let's look at the general planting windows that I use for fall greens. For zones 3 and 4, you're looking at September 1st through September 7th. For zones 5 and 6, September 7th through September 14th. For zones 7 and 8, September 14th through September 21st. And for zones 9 and 10, September 21st through September 28th, or once the summer heat has subsided. So these are just general guidelines. Your elevation, location, weather, first frost date, and the variety that you grow, they can all affect your exact timing. But this gives you a good place to start, and if you're in a cooler zone, you want to pay attention to how soon these dates arrive. So you don't want to wait until you see frost on the ground before you think about planting your fall greens. You also don't want to think of all fall greens as being exactly the same. So some are much more cold tolerant than others. Some grow quickly while others need more time to become established, and some handled repeated freezing and thawing better than others, and that's why variety selection is important. So we've grown and tested many different greens here on the farm over the years, and through a lot of trial and error, we've learned which varieties perform well for fall and cold season growing. So there are several things that go into a successful cold season garden. Choose the right varieties, get them planted at the right time, get them in good soil, and keep them properly watered, and knowing how to protect them when the weather turns really cold. But the first key is timing. So if you're ready to get started, our Hardy Green Seed Kit contains 10 varieties that we've selected and tested here on the farm with more than 200 seeds of each variety. So when you purchase the seed kit, you also receive a $20 coupon towards our Hardy Greens eCourse, where we go much deeper into how to successfully grow greens during the cold season. This includes timing, soil, planting, location, cold protection, watering, and harvesting. So if you're interested, I'll go ahead and put the links for both the Hardy Greens Seed Kit and the Hardy Greens eCourse in the description below.